Welcome to Big Data Now. Have you ever wondered how companies like Netflix, Google, and Amazon turn massive amounts of data into actionable insights? In today's video, we'll uncover how big data works, from collection to processing and, finally, to generating powerful insights. Let's dive in. Every second, countless bytes of data are generated, from social media posts and online purchases to GPS signals and IoT sensors. This is the first step, data collection. Think of it like an endless stream of raw information flowing in from diverse sources: your smartphone, your smart home devices, even industrial machines. Companies gather this data to understand behaviors, track trends, and optimize processes. But this data isn't ready to use yet. It's messy, unstructured, and scattered. That's where the next step comes in. Once collected, data needs to be stored. But we're talking about data on a massive scale, petabytes and exabytes of information. To handle this, companies rely on distributed storage systems like Hadoop or cloud platforms such as AWS and Google Cloud. These systems break the data into smaller chunks and store it across multiple servers, ensuring that it's accessible, scalable, and secure. Now that the data is stored, the real magic begins: processing. Data processing is like putting together a puzzle. You organize and analyze pieces to form a clear picture. First, the raw data is cleaned, errors are removed, duplicates are eliminated, and missing values are filled in. Then, it's transformed into structured formats for analysis. This is where tools like Apache Spark and Python libraries come into play. They process enormous datasets quickly, uncovering patterns and trends hidden within. For example, an e-commerce company might use this step to identify seasonal shopping habits or predict customer preferences. But how do these patterns become actionable insights? That's where analytics comes into play. Once the data is processed, it's ready for analysis. Artificial intelligence and machine learning models analyze this data to predict future trends, improve efficiency, and make smarter decisions. For instance, Netflix uses your viewing history to recommend new shows. Traffic apps like Waze process real-time data to suggest faster routes. And in healthcare, AI analyzes patient data to detect diseases early. These insights drive innovation and help businesses stay ahead in today's data-driven world. And there you have it, how big data works, from collection to actionable insights. It's an incredible process powering everything from your favorite apps to global industries. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit the like button and subscribe to Big Data Now. Let us know in the comments what big data topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.